Our army men, they're doing so much for us. They're protecting our country just to give us a better future. Is there any kind of direct message you would like to give to them and to their families and make them feel happy and special?
सबसे मेन बात उनका शुक्रिया आप नहीं कर सकते, नहीं हम उनका शुक्रिया नहीं चुका सकते जो लोग हमारे लिए खड़े हैं, हमारे लिए गोली खा रहे हैं.
My message is to the ladies back home. It's a grand salute because it takes a lot of courage. Personally, me, I don't have the guts to send my better half.
I would say that I find men in uniform very hot.
Okay.
Very hot, extremely hot.
What is the national anthem of India?
Obviously, Jana Gana Mana.
Who has written Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Which is the national song of India?
National song का क्या उसमें? Jan Gan Man. है ना?
Ask you national song.
Vande Mataram, I guess.
Do you know who has written Vande Mataram?
रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर.
Balgam.
Balgam?
Chaturved.
Balgam.
Some
Balgam. Rabindranath Tagore.
वंदे मातरम तो है बट राइटर ए.आर. रहमान कंफर्म नहीं है.
Balgam. Chandra.
Can you guys just name 5 freedom fighters of our country? It's so basic.
चेतन भगत.
Chetan Bhagat?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Bhagat Singh.
Gandhi ji.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
So guys, what are your plans for this Independence Day?
मैं इस इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे और इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे क्या एवरी डे मैं इंडिया के सभी अपने भाई बहनों को बहन नहीं यार
नहीं ज़्यादा
और भाइयों की बहनों को
Happy Independence Day, India!
On the occasion of 70th Independence Day of India, we have made a special episode just for you guys. We are dedicating this episode to our brave army men and to their families. So guys, like every time, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. What do we call that wheel in the middle of our flag?
Ashoka Chakra.
How many spokes are there in Ashok Chakra?
28. 24, 28.
How many spokes are there?
26.
24, I guess.
24 or 28?
24. 24 or 28.
Is it 24 or 26?
I think 24, I have no idea.
It's 24 or 26.
Average 25 लेना है.
No, it's 26.
24 or 28. You have to pick one. Or maybe it could be anything else.
28.
What is that wheel called in the middle of the
Ashoka
flag?
Chakra.
Wow, now she's talking. So, do you know how many spokes are there in
24.
Ashok Chakra?
Right.
Okay, it's 24. So guys, what are your plans for this Independence Day?
This Independence Day,
I wake up at 12 at Independence Day.
I'll be preparing for my exams.
she's boring because
Independence Day के दिन
she's
के
like the most boring among all of us. Basically, most probably I'll be working.
You'll be working.
Yeah.
Nothing. See, I work, so it's like very good to have a holiday on a national holiday. I seriously, I'll sleep.
एज यूजुअल यार इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे हमारे को रेड फोर्ट और इधर जाने को तो मिल नहीं पाता है बट पतंग उड़ाएंगे यार और क्या
Basically, पतंग उड़ाएंगे. Celebrate. That's good thing, you know. Yeah.
इतनी बचपन से पतंग उड़ानी आती नहीं तो बट वही होता है खड़े होकर देखते रहते साथ में कोई मोहल्ले में लड़के दिख जाए तो ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा बेटर ही रहता है.
We are just planning to relax somewhere, you know, long weekend. We have Saturday, Sunday and a Monday as our Independence Day.
Like interesting thing is like last January I went to Pakistan. Yeah, so because of that I've added like lots of friends of Pakistani friends on Facebook. So it's like 14th August and 15th August. So like, I have 2 Independence Day this time. So special plans for this day.
If you had to do something for your country, what would that be?
Probably मैं क्या बोलूँ उसमें? क्या करूँ?
क्या कर सकते हो?
I would join the army.
You join the army.
Yes, for sure.
For sure.
Yes.
That is it still there?
That'll be great.
Make weed illegal. Yeah.
India is not what we see it to be. India is what our culture teaches us. I mean, it's not the rapes, it's not the robbery, and everything. It's not India.
It's good if Anjana would get into politics, but it's very hard because there are all, I mean, you know, uneducated people over there who are looking for power. But see, we like to be there, the youth power.
What I wanted to do is like create more and more job opportunities here. I want to be an entrepreneur. So yeah, so why not?
We are running after a lot of materialistic things, but the humanity part is missing.
Basically, I want my country to be somewhere in top top of the world. Obviously, who doesn't want?
मैं चाहता हूँ जो गरीब लड़कियाँ हैं, अगर मेरे पास वेल्थ हो, मेरे पास पैसे अच्छे खासे हों, तो जो गरीब लड़कियाँ हैं मैं उनकी शादी करवाना चाहता हूँ. इसलिए मेरे दिल से बहुत तमन्ना
Is there anything you would like to do for your country?
Yeah. It's a male chauvinistic country, so I want it to be a woman chauvinist.
Are you guys aware of the fact that our army men, they're doing so much for us, they're protecting our country just to give us a better future. So let's say if they're watching this video right now, is there any kind of direct message you would like to give to them and to their families and make them feel happy and special?
I would say that thank you for protecting all of us. Like, we live a comfortable life and where they are at the border fighting for us and keeping us protected. So I like just a big thank you. But a thank you won't be enough just for them. So yeah.
We are living in our houses because of them very safely. So all the best to them, and God bless them and their families.
They are not able to visit their homes, they are not able to visit their kids, and there are times that they miss their child growing up, which is like a very painful thing because you cannot see how your toddler has started walking.
Staying in minus 56 degree temperature out there in some S place, I don't know. Yeah, that's a big deal, and saving us. It's hats off, man. Hats off. That's.
I'd like to say you guys are doing the toughest job ever by like managing there and facing so many circumstances and living apart from your family.
We're proud of them. See, we're really proud of them, whatever they're doing, and we salute to them. I mean, we could not have been to their places, but it's really great whatever they've been doing. So hats off to them.
We can't really blame our army men in Kashmir. Why? Because if an army man is giving their life in Kashmir, it's not because he wants to. He's doing it because of our nation and because he was being directed by someone. So we need to understand that if an army man is doing something, please don't at least blame them. If you want to blame politicians, blame our policy makers, but don't blame that small army man who's doing things. He is not getting the luxury of this Connaught Place or something. He's there dying in Kashmir.
It's not just your duty to save the world or save the country, it's ours as well. So don't take all the pains, be free, and I think just keep being proud of the country.
I respect you guys a lot. I wanted to be one of you, but unfortunately I could not make it. But I seriously respect you guys, and any day if I get to do anything for you, that would be my pleasure.
इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का कि आपने अपने बच्चों को इस फील्ड में डाला और हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए, हमारी चैन से साथ को सोने के लिए आपने अपने बच्चों की कुर्बानी दी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Indian Army, you rock. We are not directly there to support you on border, but in our heart, we truly respect you.
Respect, and we love you, and we are proud of you.
Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind!
This is me proudly saying today is that Happy Independence Day, people. I'm proud of being an Indian.
Happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind.